So here is, if you notice that my one of the post that I am showing you in front of you, if I mark out this post is I will talk about. Entire video is dedicated by this post. The airdrop is Rabby Wallet Season 2 climb live. Okay, so Rabby Wallet is something like it's the product of DBank. So DBank is, you can check out your all of the portfolio. So in one like decentralized apps, like if you have hidden cryptocurrency inside of your wallet, if you don't found this token, you can go through Rabby wallet or DBank, connect your wallet. You can see where your liquidity or staking token has, as well as where like any kind of token you get that you don't like, you didn't see before. So anything you can see that, but I don't want to talk about their benefit. I will talk about that how you can make money through this year, through these apps. So how do you make money through these apps? I'm showing you. What you need to do is just climb here. You need to climb this thing, go to here. um, so I have my referral link here, RY. So if you use this thing, 45 point maybe you will get. So I'm showing you, let's say you click on that link, and that link will bring you inside of the here. So here what you need to do is if you check your wallet, so let's say you paste your wallet here, and if you click on the check button here, which you can claim $0. Okay, so what you need to do in order to getting your token is install a Rabby wallet. So in order to get doing install these apps, what you need to do is click on this, click a Rabby wallet and add extension inside of your extension browser. So click on this, connect Rabby wallet. Okay, pretty much straightforward, nothing complicated maybe. So I did just uh, you know easily. So click on this add to connect, and that would be pretty much easy way to add inside of your browsers. And what we need to do is set up your wallet slightly like MetaMask you did, and that's it, nothing complicated. So this is the work here. And while you click on the you know point button, so it is loading, I will show you later. So just uh, let Rabby wallet add inside of our extension. So here is, if you notice that that is already added, so I'm click on that, yeah, to getting setup done. Okay, click on this next button. Okay, I want to improve my MetaMask inside of here. So input my MetaMask account. So let's say, okay, I'm back here. Create new set first. It's a simple account, therefore I'm just showing you. So put your password. So you can as well input your um, I will definitely suggest you import your MetaMask wallet where you have some asset, okay, portfolio that they can direct. Okay, show seed first. So here is, it is my I'm showing you nothing. So I have seed first. So and here, okay. So account already created, done. Click on here, and if I do here, done. If I now go to the extensions Rabby wallet, and here you will notice that Rabby points names option, Rabby points. So if I click on here, so if you put your referral R, F and Y, everything's in capital, click on climb, that will bring you inside of here. Okay, it's like MetaMask system, everything pretty much, so nothing complicated, easy, straightforward. Okay, I'm doing back here. Okay, I'm just off all of the um, distraction, tabs, and I'm ready again. Go inside of the Rabby wallet. So here, one transaction needs to sign. Okay, view Rabby wallet. Like it's doing problem. I did it so easily before. Okay, so click on this Rabby points again. Put your referral, that is capital letter RFY, and click this climb button, and here it will pop up. Okay, so the page is white paper, like I don't know what is like problem with this website. It doesn't make sense to me yet, but when you click on that it will be done. Okay, I'm using mobile phone, therefore maybe doing this problem. Okay, so view, if I click on that, or I'm showing you. So if I don't like, okay, let's say I'm gonna go with this again, and click on here, and I'm doing on desktop mode. Okay, so here is view. If it is not work, go to again here, click this reject this button, and click on this Rabby points now, and now you can put my code here RFY. Click on this climb button. Now it will work. Maybe it is still not doing work, so I'm turning on my VPN here. So let me see what happened now. Okay, so yeah, VPN has been on. Now I'm just refreshing my page and go inside of the Rabby wallet. So here I'm doing reject all, and click on this Rabby points, and here I'm gonna put my referral code here RFY, and click on this claim button, and this get notify, but it is not working now. So it will be work. So it should not be like this, and it is not like this way. So here is, if you notice that inside of our here I've already done this work. So try this. If you feel this problem, you can skip this task. If you do this thing easily, feel free to do that. So the important thing is here, I'm showing you, it's a like raised, it's a debank product, and debank valuations is nearly 200 million, and it's raised $25 million. Okay, so very important task, maybe just and very small task as well. Do that, maybe in the potential future you will get something from here. Okay, so video is like just it. So if you want to get something valuable from this lesson, please feel free to subscribe and write down comment who are you from, which country are you right now. See you later in the next time. Until that, happy hunting.